Hello. The stream is back. I just got back from the gym. We're going to eat some veggie dumps, gyoza. They are not homemade. They are from. I'm just going to change the lighting. They're from Real Canadian Superstore, they say. Otherwise known as Stupid Store. I got a bunch of dips right here. I'm not gonna lean it towards the camera because they will fall and get everywhere. So I'm not gonna do that. This chat box could probably refresh. I don't know if anyone's here yet because I just started the stream and I gotta finish my TIFF stuff. Hello, hi. Eating a bit of food for a bit. These are air fried. I don't even know if I need fucking fork, honestly. So we got sriracha mayo, we got hoisin sauce, we got butter chicken sauce, which I've never had with a gyoza, and then we've got something called like Hong Kong sauce, which I put a little bit of ponzu sauce in also. So we got a couple new things here. Mmm. I keep myself organized by having a physical calendar. Because that way I don't have to remind myself to look at a calendar on my phone. I have a physical calendar that's between my bed and the bathroom, and so I look at it every day. I always make sure to write everything on it. Mmm. Butter chicken sauce is good. With dumps. Yum. Lots of veggies. It focused for like half a second, sorry. I didn't realize that was a Robert Bresson. Is he French? I forget. I don't know if I've seen a film from him. I didn't realize that EO was a remake. I know that there's a donkey on the poster and it was at Cannes. Mmm. Holy fuck. Butter chicken sauce with veggie dumplings? Oh my god. I've discovered a fucking life hack here. Do I write down all my tests for the day? I don't know how many tests you have in a day. I don't write down all my tests, so any day when there's nothing on the calendar, I work. The only things I write in the calendar are things to plan my work around, right? So every day that I don't have something in the calendar, I'm working. And then when I'm working, I just leave little I have lists and I cross things out of things to keep in mind. I also have a list on my phone, but I never remember to check it. So I just like to have a physical piece of paper that I write some stuff on. And I cross it out when I do it, and then I get another piece of paper, and yeah. That's how I stay organized. Is just have things in your vision that you can't avoid. So For the day, calendar, and then for things specific to your work that you need to get done, just like a piece of paper. Just make sure it's in your field of vision. Official competition? I don't know. It didn't look amazing. I could check it out at some point. The trailer seemed average. Yeah, I can't deal with like things on my phone. I'll have notes on my phone for movies because that's the easiest way to like write things down right after I leave a theater, but for like organizing and getting things done in a day, it's just a matter of like sitting down and crossing things off a list. And sometimes, you know, some days are more productive than others. Sometimes things take longer than you think they will, but welcome back, rye bread. Thank you. As soon as I think of something, I write it down. You have to get into the habit of making sure that you write things down when you're like, oh, I need to do that later. You have to get into the habit of that. Oh, you're back for good with these Twitch streams? You're never going to miss a single one? These are awesome. Also, an entire bag of these, which the bowl here was not the entire bag. There were still a few left. An entire bag of these is like only like 600 calories for an entire bag. And I air fried them, you know, so it's not getting extra oil or anything. These dips add a bit to it, but these are not the ones Sickab made, no. Those ones are much higher calorie than these. I have never seen any gyoza that are this low calorie, and so I just keep going back to these ones because they taste good too. There's just vegetable gyoza pot stickers from a Canadian store called Real Canadian Superstore. And they're just filled with like mushrooms and onions and stuff. And the breading is like kind of thin, you know. Thank you so much, rye bread. I appreciate it. And it really fills you up. Whoa. Thank you so much, little booty meat. TIFF is expensive because it's the highest attendance for any public film festival on the planet. And so all accommodations, if you're gonna get a place close to the festival, you're gonna want to do it like a year in advance, if possible. And like all hotels are gonna be stupid expensive. You're gonna want to make sure you get a membership, a TIFF membership. A basic one is like $100 for the year. and that'll ensure that you get to assign your tickets early. If you have ticket packages, you have to get ticket packages. So you're essentially buying like a pack of 10 or a pack of 100 regular tickets. And then you get assigned a time where you can actually assign them to a physical ticket, like a real ticket. So membership, ticket packages, book everything in advance, and it's going to be still expensive as fuck. But at least you'll be able to see the movies, right? Do I get a free pass for being a critic? Yes, but press passes don't guarantee admission, so you'd have to line up super early for each movie. Which any seat that's not assigned, a theater that's not assigned seats, I would say line up super early for that too. They only let in a certain amount of press depending on how many physical actual tickets they sell. And then I guess at TIFF the press screenings are separate than the regular screenings, but still just line up fucking super early. And then the reason I buy regular tickets along with my press pass is because I attend the film festival with friends and or family, and they don't have press passes, and the press screenings are separate. So if I want to attend with other people, I'm so full, but it's so good. The butter chicken was a great idea. It's my new favorite dump sauce. Some of the filling came out. That was fantastic. Yeah. Fills you up. Not that high in calories. Maybe not the best for sodium, but whatever. Fuck it. This is what happens when I cook for myself at home. I just make a lot of one thing. Whereas, like, if I order out, I feel like I'm getting a bit more of a balanced meal. And when I mean cook, I just threw that in an air fryer. I can do air fryer. I can make sandwiches. I suck at cooking otherwise. I don't like using an oven. Anyway, that meal was like what? Fucking high 7, 8 out of 10. It was awesome. And I'm way too fucking full right now. But it wasn't that high in calories, so whatever. Yum. Thank you.